my previous video, I talked about one of the biggest financial goal I have this year, and that is practicing abundance mindset even more. More than the money, for me, abundance mindset is intentionally showing up for yourself. It's about believing that I'm worthy of, worthy of opportunity that comes my way, opportunity to be loved, to be respected. I'm worthy of good things or something nice. Sometimes it helps when there's tangible things that you can hold, that you can see, to be reminded of your goal, of your promise for yourself. Use this tangible thing as a visual or as a tangible thing that I could touch to remind me.
Just want to come up right here, use something tangible, but not specifically need something that, expensive stuff. It could be, a vase from your mom, a gift from someone else. It's hard to attach your identity, your life to a material thing, because material can get lost, can get burned, whatever. Just use a tangible as a symbol. It can be also a feeling, or music that's supposed to be a tangible thing. Just wanted to come to say that.
And that's why right now I am wearing Ana Luisa. I know. I've been obsessing about them. I'm not really into like bling bling accessories jewelry, but when I see something that I like in that section of the fashion, I think about it thoroughly before I get it. But things just happen when you say it out loud to the universe. It will come to you. After I posted that video of my goals or financial goals this year, I received an email from Ana Luisa and they sent me this and another necklace. So that's pretty cool. Why I am obsessed with them? Well, aside from, it makes me feel pretty, it's so stylish, and most of their design are very timeless. What I like about them is they really care. There are three things that they show how they care about us. First is their being carbon neutral. Next is they also have 2-year warranty. That is really important for me because I don't really buy a lot of these kind of things. I want my accessories being taken care of. And as someone who is prone to itchiness or rash on the skin, this one is hypoallergenic, so ladies, if you are allergic on your skin, this is good for you. And technicality aside, of course, they have a variety of collection in their site right now, so you better check that out. It will really elevate your style, everyday look without really breaking your wallet. By the way, I'm wearing Laura Bold right now and Juniper right here, and I'm so obsessed. Make sure to click the Ana Luisa link below and you'll get 20% off on your purchase. Let me know what you picked and comment that in the comment section below. Thank you again, Ana Luisa. By the way, it's my friend's birthday today and we're just gonna go to Montana. So just, chill vibes. And honestly, I don't want to miss this milestone again because I've been missing out. As much as they would appreciate that I am there for them, I think for me, it gives me so much joy. Just being there for them, able to cheer them on their milestone in life. And of course, I still have to work on my budget. Another thing for me with abundance mindset is it's about, investing on yourself, whether that's through education, like learning something new, something like a hobby, or spending quality with the people you really love, or even buying things that will motivate you to earn more, to create more, or add value in your life. There's always more for you to receive. There's always more for you to give, to create, and enjoy. Obviously, spend wisely, spend intentionally, but also live fully. That's abundance mindset. Let's go to my friend's birthday. Guys, I was so scared of spending anything last year. I slowly turned cafe, dinner, or hangout invites from my friends. Yes, I see my credit card number goes down, but my morale also goes down. And you know what happens when that goes down? It's like, when you go on an intense diet, and then after a few days you just crash. You'll realize you have Cheetos on your left hand and then a pop on your right. Super unsustainable. And I did that in my finance and it was not good. And actually, it's a sign of scarcity mindset. So this year, I will really make an effort to work on the abundance mindset to make a sustainable way on how to pay off my credit card and build off my financial goals. FYI, I am a social person and a form of self-care for me is to socialize or connect with people. So, if you're around Kitchener or Waterloo, let's go for a quick coffee chat and talk about life, talk about thrifting, finance, and coffee. I am finally home. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to see them. That those, Chad, feminine energy, I love them. I really need that right now. And I got so many compliments on my necklace. If you are looking for a nice Valentine gift for your friends, for your parents, your mom, or your girlfriends, make sure to check Ana Luisa. The link is in my description box below, and you will get 20% off from your purchase. Don't miss out. See you in my next video.